Hey guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous video, we saw how to perform constructor injection, and to make it simplify, I just used only one field, that is string type name. So if you want to add some more fields, so that we can also do. But before that, we have to understand what just happened in previous example. So we created a simple Pojo class. Later, we have mapped that Pojo class into that XML file. This is a XML file. So we have configured that XML file configuration, and later we have to initialize that field present inside animal class, this private string name. So what we did, we have used that thing. By default, see, we are using constructor. So if you notice here, we are using this constructor. So once you call constructor arg as a property, it calls this constructor, and whatever type it has, you have to give it a same type. So what it has, string type. So I'm passing string type, and it takes it and it will work. So that's how constructor injection works. So when I'm saying value equals to this, so it will take that argument and assign it, and that's how name gets initialized. And when we call that to string, this name gets printed on the console. So this is our output. So what simply happens when we are creating instance of animal class, it creates instance of that class, and plus wants to initialize the field as well. So for that, we have used constructor arg property, or you can say one more sub tag of bean tag, which calls this constructor. How we can even verify it? I'll just go back before like this dot name. Let me put this out, and let's say name from XML file, and here I'll give the name. Okay, or make it more specific, animal name, right? So we can see that it's coming from Excel file, and then later the fields get initialized. Okay, so going to run this code again. Okay, there's a typo, I'll fix it and run as application. You can see animal name from Excel file. So yeah, it is clearing that it calls that constructor. That's why this message gets printed, and then the message from the toString. Okay, let's fix this typo here. Constructor spelling is wrong. Constructor. Okay. So that's how we can achieve constructor injection. In next video, we will see what if we have two arguments and we have to create two argumented constructor, and then we have to initialize it. So we will, append the same or update the same example. Thanks for tuning, guys. Let's meet in next video. Bye bye.